Welcome, artists, to Monet Cafe Studio. Boy, am I thrilled to bring you these lessons in the month of October. You're going to learn a lot, and I'm also going to be sharing with you the new painting theme for you guys to share your work. Here we go. Hello, beautiful artists. Welcome to Monet Cafe Studio and this announcement of the October teaching theme. Now, I've done this one before, but it's that important. So I bring it back every couple of years or so. And the reason it's so important is because you can have so much going right in your painting. You can have a beautiful color palette, a wonderful composition, and some awesome mark making techniques. But if you don't have this one thing right, you're going to leave your viewer stranded, not really knowing where to go. And it's called focal point. And focal point is really a way to tell your story in a painting, leading the viewer into the areas and elements that you find beautiful. And I've learned over the years how to teach some of these strategies in a simple way. Now, that is my teaching theme. And every month I also like to have a painting theme of a particular subject matter to invite you and encourage you to paint. And this month I decided something different. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm calling it Paint Your World. So if you're in any of our sharing platforms, you could be in the Monet Cafe Art Group on Facebook or a patron of mine on my Patreon page. I'm inviting you to paint your world. Something from either your own backyard, an area where you live, a pet, a person, a favorite room. And I personally am going to love seeing some of those creations from you guys. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, I have something else in October that I'm going to be doing, which is a product review of some pastels. I have been so ready to paint with these pastels. I've had them for a couple of months. Now, the owner sent me a set of these pastels, and I bought another one because they're just so gorgeous. But they're from Spain, and they're called Monet pastels. I am going to show them to you. They are so beautiful. And look at this presentation, a wooden box, so secure. But oh my goodness, the colors are fantastic. So much I love about them, and I'll be sharing in the tutorial. But one thing I really love is the size. He calls them baby pastels. So cute. And I love them. So it's going to be so much fun playing with these. I think you're going to really love the colors of some of these sets that I have chosen. So, oh my goodness, so much in October. I invite you to come in on this painting adventure, and I hope you learn lots. All right, as always, everyone, God bless and happy painting.